Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you this amazing hair growth butter that will help you to moisturize your hair, help you to retain hair length, to help you to seal in moisture. If your hair is dry, frizzed out, damaged, this is gonna help you out. So if this is what you are interested in, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new one, and also like and comment and share. So guys, grab a seat and let's get started. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Jessica Tronovex. So in today's video I'll be showing you this amazing hair growth butter. These are all the ingredients I'll be using. I'll just be listing them on this cream. So we need a clean jar just like so, and I'll be using a measuring spoon. I'll be using the first ingredient we're using is chebe. Chebe powder is originated from Chad, and I'll also be using rosemary and cloves. I did a full video of this oil. I used this oil and a hairspray. I'm gonna leave in the video somewhere in the card. Please do well to check it out. So this oil is very effective for hair growth. So I'm just going to be adding my shea butter into this oil because we are turning this oil into butter. Okay, shea butter helps to turn your oils into butter. So I'm just going to be infusing these two together using the double boiler method. When this shea butter and the oil have infused together, has mixed together and melted, I will strain this. So please keep on watching for the next step. Don't skip. Okay, so my oil has been infused and melted. I'm just going to strain this. I don't need the other ingredients, so I'm just going to strain this and allow this to settle for a while. This is the butter and the oil mixed together. After I've allowed this to settle, I'll put this in the fridge for an hour. After an hour, this is what we have. Then we use our mixer to mix this. I'm going to mix this to a very smooth and fluffy consistency. Guys, this butter, it melts right into your hair. It melts right into your hair. It moisturizes your hair. It seals in moisture. If your hair is dry, try using this butter on your hair. So after whisking this, I will also up it and turn them together. Make sure I am getting everything. Then I'll transfer this in my container just like this, and I'll keep this in the fridge so that, or in any cool area in your house, so that it does not melt. Okay guys, so this is what we have. This is the butter. This is what the butter looks. It looks so rich in color. It looks so soft. This is kind of butter that you just apply it on your hair and you are just good to go. So I will show you guys how I apply this, so please keep on watching.
To use this butter, I'm just going to, for demonstration purpose, I'm going to lose one of them. So I've lost this my hair. This is the chebe leave-in hairspray. You don't need to rinse this out, so I'm going to spray this at the top of my hair.
So the full video about this hairspray, I'm going to drop it somewhere in the cards or in the description box, so please do well to watch it out. And guys, this ingredient I use together is so amazing for your hair. It's gonna help you if your hair is dry. This is gonna help you out to bring back your hair to be very soft and fluffy.
The butter. It just melts so easily on your hair. Ends of my hair to secure those guys. To secure them so they don't be dry. And that is my hair. My hair feels so soft right now, guys. Like very, very soft. Come on. And that's it, guys. So this is the end of the video. Yeah, I hope this was quite helpful. So this chebe is from Chad, and that's where it's been originated from. So this is my first time trying this chebe, right? My first time trying this, and it really worked amazing on my hair. Like, I think my hair is very, very stubborn, but ever since, you have see, they say power must jump power. So stubborn hair has jumped stubborn, stubborn treatment, and she's coming out. Like, she is coming out. She was stubborn, but she has jammed another stubborn vein, and see the edges, right? See that they feel them, and they feel them, right? Now they feel them. See them. Something that go come or talk tomorrow, talk 180 or talk 180. See that they feel them, right? Yeah. So stubborn has jammed stubborn, and they mix together. I'm just playing around, but seriously, this is amazing. If you've not tried this, if you're an alopecia, if you have alopecia, you have buzz patch, your hair is shedding, try chebe. Like, it's really sorry, my daughter is here, so I'm just checking her out. It's really amazing for your hair. It grew my hair in the space of 3 months. Like, I'm so happy. Just imagine me using this consistency for 1 year, and the front hair must come outside now. It must full past this, right? So I'll see you in my next video, my next DIY. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new one. And also like and comment and share. So guys, I'll see you all later. I'll see you all later. I'm so happy. At least now I cannot be doing maybe I'll be doing sleigh edges. I don't know, but I'll see you later.